And then in that moment, we're asking them as non-designers with different vocabulary, do not have our vocabulary or our understanding of the user, to make a decision.
Mm.
And that's why we often hear, well, I don't like that color. Or can you use an arrow instead of a plus sign or whatever on that accordion? You're like, why are they talking about this? You're like, we're trying to solve a real problem for a user, because they don't know. They don't have the context. They weren't in the trenches for, whatever. And I think there's many ways to like inform and tell the story and all that stuff. But I think that's the realization I've come to, or I've been trying to like UX this process of like feedback and stakeholder approval for over 10 years now. And, still trying, it's a work in progress, but I think that's one key to it, is that we're asking them to make design decisions and they're not designers. So you need to give them the tools and the context, whether that's in that one meeting, but usually you don't have enough time to do it all in one meeting. So as much as you can bring them in, that's going to really help solve that problem and make that approval at the end so much smoother. And I did scare quotes because I never used the word approval in my design meetings. I changed this about 6 years ago. I say alignment, because we are all equal in this decision. We are subject matter experts coming together to make a decision, align on a decision to help our business and our users. The moment you say approval, you've created hierarchy,
right? And
that can cause a lot of problems. One of which is what I mentioned, is that then the business owner feels like, oh, I have to make the final decision on this, and I'm just going to make an arbitrary decision because I don't have enough information, right? So we set ourselves up as collaborators. We should be thought partners on all of this, no matter what level we're at,
Wow. Yeah. Hi, I'm Adam Jennings, and welcome to Awaiting Alignment.
I got it. I just made that connection. That's hilarious.
That's super, super powerful, and it's such a simple shift, but you're right, it absolutely resets the landscape to collaboration. That's really, really good. That's really good. I may use that with credit.
Please do. Everyone should be doing this. It's really, really helps. It really helps,
That's genius. That really is a genius way of approaching it. That's a brilliant way of bringing disconnected teams together as well.
Yeah.
Because usually disconnected teams, there are one or two teams that feel like the underdog, or picked on, or never listened to, or never heard.
Yeah. Yeah, and We're trying to democratize this process as much as possible, right? Because that's having multiple voices with different, unique, diverse backgrounds is how we make better products.
Check. That's the social clip right there.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Brilliant.